Good documentation in the code is always very helpful for the maintenance of the code, and comments help with that. There are two kinds of comments you can put in PL SQL. First is the single line comment. These can go on a line by their own or can also be put in line with code towards the end. They start with 2 dashes. The other type of comments you can put are multi-line comments which start with a /* and end with a */. Talking about best practices along with comments, I think it is also very helpful to have a proper indentation of your code to improve readability. I generally like to have 2 spaces for indentation from the beginning of the main or parent section, but it is up to your preferences. Also, proper naming convention goes a long way in easier understanding and maintenance of the code. I like to have my local variables start with an L prefix, my cursors with a cur prefix, exceptions with an E prefix, and so on. Also, let me mention here that PL SQL is not case sensitive except for the character literals, which we will talk about later. So you can have, say, the begin keyword in upper, lower, or mixed case. But I like to always have declare begin exception and end keywords in uppercase, variable declarations and executable statements in lowercase. It is up to you and your team to decide on the naming conventions and cases and spacing in your code. But once you decide on a standard, you should follow it consistently throughout your code.